You're watching Two for the Road. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Joe.
And I'm Tammy.
And this weekend we're at Wekiva Springs in Apopka, Florida.
Be sure when visiting this park to follow the Bear Aware policy.
We have reserved site number 43 with only 30 amp electric and water hookup. The site itself was very big and it had plenty of trees overhanging the campsite for perfect mounts of shade. And in this weekend, we are camping here with some friends. In site number 37, we had Chim and Barb. And in site number 35, we have Dan and Susie, the YouTube channel, Dusty Trails RVing.
One of the many activities you can take part in here is paddling the Wekiva River.
Up there in that area. Oh, stunning. Oh, he's up there. Let's take him home. Mama's up there somewhere in that little panel, I bet you.
Cooper will love him. Yeah, snap it in my face. Yeah, that feels great. And one of the really neat things you can do while paddling the river is visiting Wekiva Island. It's a really cool place to hang out. It has the ability to rent canoes, kayaks. You have activities of cornhole, beach volleyball, and much more. It's just a perfect place to stop for an ice cold drink. You can even reserve these little pavilions for a little party, or even just sit by the river and watch the canoes and kayaks go by. They also offer some really cool food. And there's always an opportunity for a group photo.
Okay, let's take a stroll down the boardwalk so we can jump in the springs for a swim.
right, Jim, head for the truck. We got you. One more. All right, head for the truck, buddy.
Okay, after having a really good time kayaking the river and swimming the spring head, it's time to give you all a tour of the campground so you'll know what to expect when you come here. Want to see some more great springs right here in Florida? Check out our channel, go into our playlist. We have a playlist just for Florida Springs. Like what you seen in the video? Give us a thumbs up. Let us know how we're doing. Leave a comment down below. We appreciate any comments you want to leave.
Okay, another successful trip at Wekiwa Springs in Apopka, Florida. Here we are on our way out so we can head back home before the rain comes in. Okay, here we go.
Alright, as our video draws to conclusion, we just want to mention that you should probably consider subscribing to our channel. You'll never know. We may be guilty of adding to your bucket list. And as always, thanks for watching. Two for the road.